What if I told you most passive income online is not passive at all? Social media keeps showing people making money while sleeping, sitting on beaches, driving luxury cars. But here's the truth nobody wants to say. Most passive income streams take years of hard work before they become even slightly passive, and some never do. So before you quit your job because a TikTok guru said easy money, watch this first. The internet loves selling the dream. Make $10,000 a month with digital products. Start dropshipping, faceless YouTube automation, print-on-demand stores. Sounds easy, right? But what they don't show you is the boring part. The months with 0 views, the failed products, the late nights editing videos, the stress of spending money on ads that don't work. Most creators only post the highlight reel after they finally succeed. You see the Lamborghini, but not the 2 years they spent broke. Here's the biggest lie. People confuse automated with passive. Just because something makes money without you working today doesn't mean it didn't require massive effort first. Take YouTube, for example. A creator may earn money from old videos while sleeping. Sounds passive, but behind those videos are hundreds of hours writing scripts, editing, researching, and posting consistently. Even rental income isn't fully passive. Tenants call, repairs happen, taxes exist. Real passive income usually comes after active work, smart systems, and patience, not before. And social media makes it worse. Why? Because selling the dream makes money. If someone tells you, building wealth takes 10 years of discipline, that won't go viral. But saying, make money with 1 AI video per day, that gets millions of clicks. Most influencers aren't getting rich from passive income, they're getting rich selling courses about passive income. That's the part many people miss. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with learning online skills, but expecting instant freedom, that mindset destroys people financially. So what actually works? Simple. Build skills first, then build systems, then build income streams, not the other way around. Learn editing, learn sales, learn content creation, learn investing. Because skills create income, and income creates opportunities. The people who truly build passive income usually spend years becoming valuable first. There's no shortcut around that. So no, passive income is not fake, but the version social media sells? Mostly fantasy. Real wealth is slower, less glamorous, and way more boring than Instagram makes it look. But it's also more real and more sustainable. So stop chasing easy money and start building something that lasts.